Suspect arrested in connection with Barbara Gayle's gruesome killing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A suspect has been arrested in connection with the brutal murder of veteran Gleaner journalist Barbara Gayle. The St. Catherine police apprehended the individual on Wednesday in Grange Hill area of the parish, just a days after Gayle's body was discovered with multiple stab wounds in her Caymanas Country Club estate home. Earlier on Wednesday, the police recovered Gayle's Mercedes-Benz motor car in bushes along Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine, which advanced their investigation into the crime. A doorbell camera footage later captured Gayle calmly offering the man a glass of water before the tragic incident.
Jesus asked him, said, who do you say that I am? And they said, oh, you're one of the prophets. Or something or Jeremiah, something or Isaiah, something or John the Baptist. And Jesus asked them again.
The suspect's identity is being withheld pending charges and further investigation. The police had previously stated that they were following strong leads as they seek to apprehend the person responsible for the murder of the veteran broadcaster Barbara Gayle. Christopher Phillips, the senior superintendent of the St. Catherine Police Division, in which the Caymanas Club falls, said that Gayle was last seen alive around 3:30 p.m. on Monday. Her body was found by a neighbor the next day.
Christopher Phillips, Senior Superintendent of Police with responsibility for Area 5, and I'm here with the management team from St. Catherine South, as also our area crime officer. I'm at Caymanas Estate Country Club Phase 1, where we have a case of murder treating with. I can confirm that retired journalist Barbara Gayle was today found dead in her house. What we are getting so far, she was last seen sometime after 3 yesterday, having a conversation with an unknown gentleman. Sometimes this morning, sometime after 10, residents who are used to a routine coming out in the morning to check on them and to call to them, they never saw that usual activity, and so some residents went to check on her where the lifeless one was discovered. We are following strong leads at this time. We have the full support of all the investigative arm of the force giving full support right now. We are deeply saddened by this. It's really a very horrible scene, and we really extend condolences to the media family at this time, because I know that she's well known in that circle. So we promise, we commit to giving our best effort to solving this case. In the same time, I'd want to use the opportunity to appeal to residents once more to be extremely vigilant during this festive season, and because based on what we're seeing so far, could be anybody else from this community, and so we just want to appeal to residents to be extremely vigilant. Well, I wouldn't want to get into critiquing whether or not any protocol was breached. On the surface of it, it's very worrying how things unfolded as to how that person got in. We are going to allow the investigative process to unearth all of that, and perhaps at another time we could give a full update on what we have discovered. initial assessment is suggesting that she was stabbed multiple times to the right side of her neck, and we suspect she was also hit in the forehead. Well, the vehicle is missing and her phone is also missing. But as I said, give us some more time. We want to dig deeper into this one, and we commit the full team, focus on it to ensure that this one is solved.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.